There's two features for this mod that makes this mother chucker an instant success. Oh yeah, Rip, what are we gonna be talking about today? Today we're gonna be taking a look at this Foxy Mod by Augvape. But yeah, the two features is one, it's got a retractable 510 connection. That's right, it's got a quick release. First time I've ever seen a mod have it, and this has got it, baby, and it's banging. I'm gonna show you that in the close-ups. But the second feature that makes this thing an instant success is it's simple. None of this temperature mode shit. None of the curves and bypass and TCR and blah 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 blah. It's just got variable voltage and variable wattage. Oh yeah, and there is a third feature, and that's the way this thing looks. It looks the tits, feels the tits, vapes the tits, hits like a truck full of you know what. Dildos. Fact of the matter is, I'm loving this Foxy. I really am. Okay, now there are cons to it, which we're going to go over in the close-ups, but there's a lot of pros too. Yeah, buddy. So here's the packaging this Druga Foxy Mod comes in. Of course, inside that packaging, you're going to receive your Foxy Mod and a user manual. The two color options I personally seen for this puppy chucker is the black and the chrome, and this good looking black and the gunmetal. The Foxy Mod's primarily made of zinc alloy, guys, and a little bit of plastic. She's 93mm by about 48mm by about 27mm. At the top of this mod, it's got a center 510 connection. That's a big pro. Stainless steel 510 connection, thread, smooth thread. She's got spring-loaded gold-plated 510 pin, and you see this, it says quick release. That's right, this sucker has got a detachable or a retractable 510 connection. So you got a little release right here, and all you got to do is press it. That 510 connection is retracting. It's splitting in half. That is a cool ass feature. Again, I've never seen this on a mod before up until now. All right, so check it out. I got this Nabu sub-ohm tank on here. She's 26mm. There's no overhang. There's no gap. I mean, it sits great. So any device, I would say about 28mm and smaller, it's going to look great. 28mm is going to give you a little bit of overhang, but it's still going to look good. Yeah, buddy, all you got to do is press on this quick release button and watch this. Comes right off. But yeah, on the other side of the device, you got the fire button at the top, and it protrudes. Oh, it just feels oh so good in the perfect position. IMO. The whole device just feels so damn good. But yeah, the fire button, it is nice and clicky, and it is comfortable. Hear how clicky it is. Even though I like this fire button and how it's positioned and where it's positioned and how it feels, I wish it was just a little bit longer. But yeah, at the base of the mod, it says Augvape Foxy. You got your holes for battery venting. Another thing I want to point out, see how dirty it is? It's because of this chrome unit, man. All these shiny units, they look great when you clean them, right? But oh my gosh, is she already filthy, and I've only been holding this thing for like 2 minutes. Oh yeah, and here's the front of the mod. And on the front of the device towards the top, you got this little itty bitty mini screen. It's actually a panel. Check this out. You pull this panel off. What? First of all, it's got this Ohm's Law map. There's your mini screen right there, and then you got your wattage up, wattage down buttons right here. And of course, there's the back of the panel. It's not the cleanest by any means. Definitely a con, I gotta point out. So you got two magnets up top, one magnet down below, and that sucker pops on here like so. Pretty strong magnets, could be stronger. There is two more cons I got to point out for this device, and these are the two of the biggest. First of all, when this panel's on here, you can barely even see the screen when she's on. I'll show you that in a second. And second, every time you go to adjust the wattage or the voltage for this device, you got to take this damn thing off to do it. Now, I know most people are just going to adjust it once and they're going to be good, but it's still a con I got to point out, man. But I guess it could be a pro to some of you guys out there because it hides the buttons. It's all depending on what you're looking for, man. And then on the back of the mod, you got another panel. This is actually your battery door. And this is way cleaner. Still could be a little bit cleaner, but it's way cleaner than the other one. Here's your battery tray, nice and clean. Dual 18650 mod. Batteries not included. And of course, today I'm going to be rocking my trusty Home Life batteries. Again, I want to go back to the panels, the front and the back panels. Okay, they're light, that's good, but they're made of plastic. And these things, if you drop the device, it could break them. These are probably the flimsiest freaking panels I've ever seen on a mod. And it's a con to me. I mean, they're not that solid. But nevertheless, I'm going to go ahead and pop my battery panel back on there. Magnets are, like I said, they're pretty strong. Could be stronger, but I got to say, the panels sit flush. I mean, the whole device looks the tits. 5 clicks of this fire button turns her on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right now, that mini screen is showing voltage. Like I said, you can vape this thing in voltage mode or regular wattage mode. Beside that, you got the battery gauge. Above that, you got the resistance. Again, you use these buttons up here to adjust it. It goes all the way up to 6.5 volts, and it does round robin. And if we hold these two buttons down at the same time, it takes us into wattage mode. And we can adjust it from 5 watts all the way up to 150 watts. And as you guys just saw, it does round robin as well. And before I take you guys back to FaceTime, I want to show you what the screen looks like with the panel on there. Way too damn dim. They should have cut this out. Just my 2 cents. Yeah, buddy, rocking this Nabu sub-ohm tank on here today. That's right. And the juice that I'm rocking in here is a juice called Mr. Meringue from Charlie's Chalk Dust. It's the best lemon meringue pie juice I've ever had, period. Oh yeah, and you get that Charlie's Chalk Dust Mr. Meringue on over at vapetrick.com. VAPETRIK. But yeah, I got the Nabu sub-ohm tank on there. She's reading 0.17 ohms, vaping her only at 55 watts, and I got the airflow about halfway open. You know, let's go. Oh yeah, baby. I love this sub-ohm tank. If you missed my review on the Nabu tank or the Nabu kit, check it out. Links down in the description. But back to this Foxy mod. Love, love, love that 510 quick release, man. Big, big, big pro. And the fact that it's so simple to use. As far as price points goes, I'm seeing this bad boy sell online anywhere between 50 and 60 bucks. I'll post links down in the description of the sites that I know of that are credible, that will be or are carrying it. Now on to the big question, the big answer of the day. Hey Rip, which vapor out there is going to benefit from this bad boy the most? Definitely went for that vapor looking for a dual 18650 high wattage device that's got no temperature mode, that's got no curves, that's got no TCR. It's just simple dimple. That's sleek looking. That's got a retractable 510 connection. What? Yeah, buddy. You looking for that and all the other stuff that I mentioned in this video about that? Well, then go on and get this puppy chucker. She's definitely for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, liked it, found it entertaining and helpful. If you did like it, well then hit that like button. Let me know that you care and share it for all your friends to see. And if you want to see more of me, well then go on and subscribe for more. This is Rip Chippers, and remember, smoking is dead, vaping is the future, and the future is now.